Here you go, guys. Here's the back of my detail truck van, sorry. Yeah, pretty nice, clean, simple, you know. See, 1, 2, can always pick this up, take the top one out. I have my guns around here also. I gotta set those up properly. Spray around here too. Good, see guys? Same color, huh? Right, and look at that. So I gotta get a cover for this, but that's no big deal. I just gotta be more careful not to bang stuff on there. I might put a piece of plywood here. Alright guys, but what do you think, guys? It's not so bad, right? Can do work. Thank you.